Is your company prepared to prevent a data breach or ransomware?
A report from NCSoft finds ransomware attacks were up 41% last year. That included 113 state and municipal governments, 764 healthcare providers, and 89 universities, colleges, and school districts. Criminals also targeted hospitals and small businesses, often demanding money to unlock computer networks.
It takes just one person clicking the wrong link to destroy all of the data inside your organization.
In 2019, the Ponyman Institute, a leading private research organization, stated that the average small business identity theft breach is approximately $1.3 million. And today, with 42% of our employees working remotely or from home, ransomware and ID theft breaches have increased 350%. The global pandemic has given cybercriminals new tools and topics of curiosity to convince your employees to visit these infected websites, emails, attachments, Zoom calls, and they can end up disclosing personal and company information. Just one wrong click will allow the cybercriminals to deliver malware, adware, spyware, and ransomware onto these computers and networks. Studies now show employees working from home develop a casual approach to data security. They lose their sense of responsibility, and they don't think it'll happen to them. While companies spend an incredible amount of money and resources on the firewalls, the software, and the IT departments, these same companies often miss the mark when it comes to training their frontline employees. My name is Frank Mulcahy. As an international identity theft consultant, I help companies to reduce their risk, reduce operating costs, increase efficiency and their profitability, and we can accomplish this with no capital expenditure. Since 2008, our organization has been offering complimentary identity theft training, workshops, lunch and learns, staff development days, and virtual training can be delivered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have worked with every type of business from schools, government, manufacturing, medical, and financial, because no business is exempt from the devastating impact of these data breaches. Just think about a recent study from the National Cybersecurity Alliance. They stated 20% of the small businesses out there will experience an attack this year, and 60% of those companies will likely close their doors within 6 months after being hacked. So why risk your organization's future if we can help you to develop a culture of security from the storeroom to the boardroom? And since 2008, over 90% of the companies we have worked with qualified for our free complimentary training. So don't take a risk with a breach or ransomware attack. Give us a call today. Let us schedule your complimentary identity theft training or lunch and learn, either live or virtual, because working together, we can help you to deter, detect, and defend your organization, your customers, your staff from the cyber criminals and the cyber threats that are out there today.